Okay, so this is our first Excel file, and what it is mixing gas and oil together for different machines like string trimmers or chainsaws. There's many engines that require a mixture of gas and oil. Now we're given gallons of gas here. We want to translate that into ounces of gas, and here's the ratio, here's the factor, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do this, and then the mixture is 32 to 1. That means there's 32 ounces of gas for every 1 ounce of oil, so we need to figure out how many ounces of oil. But first, let's figure out how many ounces of gas. So I can do this with the proportion. You're going to do it with cells, so I really don't want to solve the problem. I just want to see what formula is going to go in here. So I got 1 gallon is to 128 ounces, as 0.8 gallons is to X ounces. So now I'm going to cross multiply, and I get X, which is this. That's X. X equals, because X times 1 is X, 128 times 0.8. So I'm going to stop there. That's it. So I don't have 128 anywhere. So it's just going to be, for this cell, it's going to be equals 128 times whatever this cell is. A5, B7, whatever it is. And then from there, you can fill it all the way down. So there I have my ounces of gas. Now for my ounces of oil, well, let's just get this one here. So I worked it out, so this is 10.24 ounces of, I'm sorry, it's 102.4 ounces of gas. Now it's hard to see, I'll put it over here. So that's the output in this cell. So what we're going to do now is find out how many ounces of oil I need to mix with that in order to have a correct mixture. So again, I'm going to do a proportion. It's going to be 32 ounces of gas for 1 ounce of oil. And that's going to equal 102.4 ounces of gas for I don't know how many ounces of oil. So this here is this cell. X is whatever cell that is. So I'm going to cross multiply. Put it over here a little bit. Cross multiply and then divide. So the ounces of oil equals 102.4 divided by 32, which means you would put equals here, this divided by this, and that you would lock, because then you could go ahead and fill it all the way down. So that's really it.